Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for December the 14th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, sources suggested that Sanofi is in negotiations to buy Actelion Pharmaceticals in a deal potentially worth as much as $30 billion. The news comes after Johnson & Johnson announced that it had ended discussions with the Swiss drug maker regarding a potential transaction, saying it was not able to reach an agreement that it believed would create adequate value for its shareholders. Actelion issued its own statement following Johnson & Johnson's announcement, indicating that it was engaged in discussions with another party but did not provide additional details. Shares in the Swiss drug maker fell as much as nearly 10% on the news. In other news, the U.S. Department of Justice filed the first criminal charges tied to a broad 2-year investigation into suspected price collusion in the generic drug industry. Citing court documents unsealed in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania, the department said former Heritage Pharmaceuticals CEO Jeffrey Glazer, as well as Jason Malik, an ex-president of the company, each faced 2 counts of conspiring to fix prices, rig bids, and allocate customers for the antibiotic doxycycline, and conspiring to fix prices and allocate customers for the diabetes drug glyburide. And finally, the FDA has granted orphan drug designation to Boehringer Ingelheim's nintedanib for the treatment of mesothelioma. The triple angiokinase inhibitor was granted orphan drug designation based in part on data from the Phase 2 cohort of the ongoing Phase 2/3 LumaMesio trial. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.